So you want to know how to edit. Now that I've got the stereotypical YouTube intro out of the way, today's lesson is about green screens. More specifically, how to create them and the types of equipment you'll need to make them. So, let's get into it. Hi, this is me from the future. I'm dumb, so I forgot to put this here. But if you want to skip through some of these parts and get straight to the tutorial, this is that's that time link, yeah. I'm gonna go now. Yeah. Bye. You may be asking me, what is a green screen? Well, a green screen is a screen and it's green. That is what that is. That's just a green screen. So you may also be asking me, Taylor, what if I don't have a green screen? Well, easy answer. Green screens don't have to actually be green. Green screens is just a common term made for anything that you can do a chroma key edit with, or a green screen edit with. So these things could be any colour. It could be pink, blue, green, grey, like mine. It could be black. It doesn't matter the colour, it just matters that it's all one flat colour. So these are some of the mythical features you need for a good green screen video. So number one, a flat colour. If you have a flat colour, it won't work, or it'll just be harder for you to actually edit. So as you can see behind me, mine is a flat grey colour. The next thing you need is good lighting. Good lighting really makes or breaks a video. If you have bad lighting, it could make the whole editing process really hard, or it just might make the footage unusable. So for good lighting, all you need is a solid light. So, in a studio you'd use studio lights, but at home you're most likely not going to have them. So you could use wall lights, lamps, flashlights, ceiling lights, any type of light that gives a good colour. You don't want any LEDs that are flashing red or anything, because that can affect the actual green screen, the wall. The next things you'll need is equipment. I'll be going through that now. So, for good equipment, you need obviously good lights, you need a good quality camera. I'm using a Canon DSLR. You can use a laptop, you could use your phone, you could use an iPad, you could use your webcam. The only thing you need is the camera quality to be good. So this means either 720 or 1080. If you have 4K, that is amazing. The only bad thing about 4K is it means it's more space for when you're editing. The next thing you need is a device with editing software. So for me, I'm using Adobe's Premiere Pro on my MacBook. You may not have a MacBook, you may have a HP laptop, you may have a Windows laptop, you may be doing this on your iPad or other tablets. Also, Premiere Pro does cost money. There is free trials you can get with it, but if you're not willing to do one of them, you can do a vast assortment of free editing software. I'll be putting them in the description down below. If you do not have the money for it, so that'll be all there down for you. So what you're going to want to start straight away by doing is clicking New Project. This will put you onto this screen. You can now change this to anything else. You could put green screen video, video for me, anything basically. So I'm going to go green screen Bitesize tutorial. And now what you want to do
is you have to make sure your location is set. So for me, I'm putting it into this video file here. You could do it on any of these. I'm going for that one. And then you want to do is press OK. And this now puts you into the video. This is Premiere Pro. So what you can do now is you want to click on this area here. You want to click on it once, and you could either press Command I, or you can go up here, go to File, and Import, and click it there. I'll show you what it's like with Command I. So you press Command and then I, and then it brings you to the same area. So this is going to be showing all your files. So for me, I need to go into my desktop, and I need to go into my green screen video, and then I need to get the different videos I need. So now that you've got both your videos in this area here, what you want to do is you want to drag them into this area. So you press it in here, and you hold it into this area, and you let go. So this gets us our timeline. So this is the video I have here. This is the background video. And now I want to get my green screen. So what you do is you do the exact same. You drag it over, but you want to make sure it goes on top of the video we put in. So it needs to go into V2 in A2. Is you want to go over into this area here, the effects, and you want to type in color. And you want to look down in this area here. This is your effects area. You want to go down to keying and then color key. So what you want to now do is hold it like you did before and drag it onto the green screen video and let go. So this is now put it onto this, and this area comes up here. So this is our color key. This is what you need to make a green screen video. So what you want to do now is you want to click this cone like object, and you want to go over onto the green screen part, and you want to click it on the color. So that is now selected that backing area. So if you go to color tolerance and we move it, you can slowly see that green screen part go away. And if you go way too much, the airplane can go. So you want to get to just the right amount. You want to try and mitigate all the bits of green screen you can, whilst keeping the nice sharp lines of the actual thing.
So now you know the essentials of green screens, as well as how to film and edit them. I want you to try and have a go at making a video at home if you can. It'll really help you set off if you're doing it for your GCSEs, or if you're just doing it as a hobby. If you found this tutorial helpful, liking it would mean a lot to me. It'll help me get up there and get my content viewed by more people, so I can help more people. I would very much appreciate it. Thank you. I've been Taylor.